Hi guys, welcome to another episode of BB Essentials. BB here, and please, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our next videos. Today I'll be using concrete cement and foam to make a nice countertop water fountain. This is the first time I'm making it, so I'm excited. You guys please stay with me, don't go anywhere. You do not want to miss any part of this video, as this project's gonna be very pretty. In this part here, I use toothpick and I use the hot gun to hold my foam together. And keep in mind, you want to put your gun in low mode because you do not want to melt your foam. Okay guys, now I'm gonna cover it with concrete cement to give it the shape that I need. Keep in mind, I did pour my concrete cement a little bit too liquidish. I had to do it twice. If you guys ever want to recreate this DIY, you will need to make your mixture a bit thicker because I don't want you to make the same mistake that I made. I use a different thickness on the cement mixture to cover the holes, and I cover the whole project and let it dry overnight. Hey guys, if you look carefully on the side of the blue paint, I also have two green paint by the rocks that represent algae and waters. You know how like when you have waters running, they always have algae. So that's to make it more realistic. And I use the blue paint to make it like the sun reflecting on it, you know, the sky reflecting on it, so it make it even more prettier. All right guys, let's keep going and have fun. Oh my god guys, I hope you guys like it as much as I do. It turns out better than what I thought. Really, seriously guys, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends. I appreciate you guys. Until next time. Mwah!